Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey Emma, I've been thinking about how to improve my English speaking skills. Got any tips?
Hey Alex. Definitely. One of the best ways is to ask and answer questions. It keeps the conversation going.
Yeah, that makes sense. What kind of questions should I start with?
Start simple. Like, what's your name, or where are you from? They're great icebreakers.
Okay, I got it. What's your favorite question to ask when you meet someone new?
I love asking, what do you do for fun? It opens up a lot of interesting topics.
That's a good one. I'll try that. How about follow-up questions? Any tips there?
Sure. Follow-up questions show you're interested. Like, if they say they like hiking, ask, where's your favorite place to hike?
Ah, I see. It keeps the conversation going. What if I run out of things to ask?
You can always ask about their opinions. Like, what do you think about? Or how do you feel about?
Good idea. And what about answering questions? Any tricks for that?
Be honest and add details. Instead of just saying I'm good, you can say I'm good, just started a new book.
That makes sense. Gives the other person more to respond to.
Exactly. And don't forget to smile and use body language. It makes the conversation more engaging.
Got it. Oh, I just remembered a joke. Want to hear it?
Of course. Hit me with it.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award?
Dunno, why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
That's a good one. Humor always helps in conversations.
Thanks, Emma. I'll keep practicing these tips.
You're welcome, Alex. Keep it up and you'll see improvement in no time.
Will do. Thanks again.
Anytime. Talk to you later.
See ya. Hey Emma, I'm back. Ready for more tips on improving my speaking skills?
Hey Alex. Great to see your enthusiasm. Let's dive into some advanced questions now.
Cool. What do you suggest?
Try questions that make people think, like, what's the most challenging thing you've ever done?
Oh, that's deep. What kind of answers should I expect?
You'll get a variety of answers. It's a great way to learn about someone's experiences and get a meaningful conversation going.
Got it. Any other types of questions?
Opinion-based questions are awesome. Like, what's your take on social media? Or how do you feel about remote work?
Those sound interesting. How do I respond if someone asks me those?
Just be honest and share your thoughts. If you're unsure, it's okay to say I'm not sure, but I think.
Makes sense. It's about being real, right?
Exactly. And don't forget to ask for clarification if you don't understand something. Like, can you explain that a bit more?
That's a good tip. Keeps the conversation clear and engaging.
Yep. And when you're listening, show interest by nodding or saying things like I see or that's interesting.
I'll practice that. Any more advanced questions?
Sure. Try hypothetical questions too. Like, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Or if you had a superpower, what would it be?
Those sound fun. I bet they can lead to some interesting stories.
Definitely. People love to imagine and share their dreams and ideas.
Speaking of fun, got another joke?
Always. Why don't skeletons fight each other?
Dunno, why?
They don't have the guts.
Haha, nice one. Jokes really lighten the mood.
Glad you liked it. Remember, keeping things light and fun helps make conversations more enjoyable.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for all these tips, Emma.
You're welcome, Alex. Keep practicing and you'll keep improving.
Will do. See you next time.
See ya.